Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Tash. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you guys, I am so excited. I'm actually overly excited. I can barely contain myself. We are going to be playing with the LaGirl Haute Haute Aloha Vibes palette. The one I've been trying to get my hands on. Just so you guys know, if you didn't see my last video, I did pin a post for you guys letting you know that Ulta has these right now, but keep in mind these are limited edition, so if you want to get your hands on it, you better hurry. You better hurry fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. Now I do have these swatched on my arm to show you guys all of the shades. So that is the only thing that I have done with it. I just got this in this morning in the mail. There's what she looks like, if you guys can see that. So beautiful. It's the same consistent, beautiful formula from the first palette. So here are some of the shades here on my hand. And then going down the arm, here are the rest of the shades. Oh my God, really. You guys, I cannot wait to create a look with this. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna put on some eye tapes and I will be right back. We are gonna dip in. All right, you guys, I'm gonna pull you in a little bit closer. Don't mind me. Filming another video, so I don't have any makeup on. We're going to start off by dipping into the first shade here, which is this shade here. You guys know how I roll when I do foundation looks. When I do eyeshadow looks, I point to the palette and show you guys the shade. I will list all the shades used down in the description box below. So let's get into it. Alright you guys, so we are pausing on the eyes right now. I need to clean up my mess here. I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup and do the bottom lash lines. I'll do that with you, but we'll be right back. Alright guys, so now that the rest of my makeup is on, I want to go ahead and finish my lower lash line. So we're going to take this palette and I'm going to take some of the shades that I put on my deep crease onto my lower lash line. So going to take this little small pencil brush here and I'm going to go into this purple color here because I actually have a turquoise-ish pencil that we're going to use on the lower lash line. So I just want to use the purples. So I'm just going to take this pencil. This is the L'Oreal Silkasine. Girl, don't get me lying. But the shade is turquoise. I love these pencils. They just literally glide into the waterline. And they're so beautiful. They last a very long time. So I apologize for my eyes, you guys. No, I don't smoke marijuana or anything. I suffer from really bad dry eyes, and today, I don't know, it has just like been one, and I didn't really sleep very good last night. I don't know why, I just didn't. So my eyes are like super bloodshot and dry. They actually kind of sting a bit. Right, so now I am going to finish off my lips, do some mascara, and then I'll be back to give you my thoughts on the palette. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the look that I created with this palette. In my opinion, this is the same exact formula as the first palette that I reviewed, which I think is Vacay Everyday or Everyday Vacay. I think that these are worth having in your collection if you are someone that likes to play with color, and oh god, it's just the formula of these alone is a reason to just have them in your collection, if you know what I mean. So you do get the same amount of shades. You get 16 shades. And these eyeshadow pans are huge. I'm getting ready to tell you how much product you get after I can get this bad boy open. That's the only bad thing about having nails. So as you guys can see, these eyeshadow pans are huge. Like, I'm never gonna finish this. And you get 35 grams total. So let's do the math on that really quickly. So 35 grams total, 0.23 ounce divided by what, 16? So you are getting under, is it 5 ounces? Oh, 1.23 ounces per pan. So if I did that right. If I didn't, don't quote me, y'all. I've been out of school a long time, okay? Okay. So anyways, yeah, I think it's a very beautiful palette. In my experience with the last one that I reviewed, the very first one, these last all day long on the eyes. I even wore them on a very hot day and my eyeshadow still stayed and it looked beautiful. Even as much as my eyes water, my eyelids looked really, really good. So I'm very happy with these. I cannot wait to jump in and play with this again. Again, these are only $15, but keep in mind, you guys, they are limited edition. So if it's something that you're interested in getting, you need to run to Ulta or hurry up and get on Ulta.com and place your order, because once they're gone, they're gone. And they sold out from CVS and LA Girl's website very, very quickly. So, okay. That's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Sound off in the comments and let me know. Did you pick this palette up? Are you thinking about it? Did you enjoy today's video? If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. I appreciate you so, so much. Thank you for watching, and I love you guys. Bye.